Welcome to Part 2, the installation. Our first step is to grab the official n8n Docker image. Head over to Docker Hub, search for n8n n8n, and confirm you're looking at the official source, regularly updated and with millions of pulls. Good news, you don't have to manually run the Docker pull command. Docker Compose will handle that automatically when we spin it up. Let's move forward and start configuring our environment. Next up, let's set the stage for n8n by creating a clean working environment. First, create a dedicated directory called n8n and hop inside it. mkdir n8n cd n8n. Now, create the essential docker compose.yml file. This is where all the Docker magic happens. Touch dockercompose.yml. Verify that your file is ready and waiting. ls-ltr. All set. Next, we'll fill this file with the configs to get n8n spinning. Let's edit the dockercompose.yml file next. Now let's configure our dockercompose.yml file. This is a clean, simple configuration designed for initial setup. Notice we're using basic authentication. This gives us a straightforward way to log in and troubleshoot easily if something goes wrong. Make sure you set your own username and a strong password here. Don't worry. Once our installation is rock solid and running smoothly, we'll come back later and tighten security, including proper HTTPS and advanced security settings. Save and close this file and get ready. Next, we spin things up. Let's go next. Configuration set? Good. Now the magic happens. Run the following command to launch n8n using Docker Compose. Docker Compose up-d. Docker will automatically pull the n8n image and spin up your container in the background. You'll see layers downloading, totally normal. In just moments, your n8n server will be up and running, and you'll officially have workflow automation at your fingertips. But hold tight, we'll confirm everything's working perfectly in the next step. Let's move. Your n8n container should be humming along by now. Let's confirm everything's good. Run. Docker Compose PS. You should see your container listed with image as n8n n8n.latest and status up 5 minutes, and the port mapping 5678 TCP clearly visible. But just in case something's off, here's your best friend, Docker Compose logs F. This command gives you a real-time view of what's happening inside your container. Watch for any errors or warnings. And make sure migrations complete successfully. Let's take a deeper look at the log in the next step. If your logs look like this, congratulations, your n8n instance is officially alive. You'll know everything's good when you see this line at the bottom of the logs. Editor is now accessible via http://SSL localhost. This means the n8n workflow editor is ready and waiting for you to dive in. But before we celebrate, let's quickly verify everything in the browser. Next stop, the browser test. Let's confirm this visually. Time to confirm visually. Open your browser and head to http://yourdomain/5678. Initially, you might see a security cookie warning like this. Totally normal, since we're accessing via an insecure URL, HTTP. If you reach this page, congrats! Your n8n installation is live and ready. In the next video, we'll dive deeper into configuring a subdomain and SSL setup so that we can use HTTPS and no longer have to use a port in the URL. Great job. See you there.